This year, to protect ourselves and those we love, experts are encouraging a Thanksgiving that strays from many of our traditions, encouraging families not to gather with those from outside of their households to prevent the spread of COVID 19, a decision that could lead to difficult conversations.
This is a big loss for people. The holidays are something that most look forward to every year, and the thought of losing that on top of some of the other losses we've had this year feels like a lot. But I'm really encouraging people to talk with their families about what they're going to miss this year. To let them know it's not just that they're canceling Thanksgiving or not attending because they're trying to be mean or because they don't want to see family, but to really reinforce, we miss you, we care about you, we would prefer to be there with you, but this is the safest option for all of us this year.
Ahead of the holiday, Spectrum Health continues to see record numbers of patients hospitalized with COVID 19. Numbers doctors fear may spike again if we are not careful over the holidays.
The longer you spend in close proximity indoors with other people, the higher the risk that you could spread coronavirus around that group.
Dr. Rosie Olivero is a pediatrics infectious disease doctor for the Spectrum Health Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. While significant COVID 19 impact on adults is far more common, the American Academy of Pediatrics reports that children now account for 11% of all cases.
Part of the difficulty is that when people get together for these holiday gatherings, they do let down their guard, and then they're not doing these things that we do out in the public spaces, like wearing our masks. The children, as well as the adults that are in those settings, can certainly propagate the spread of coronavirus and potentially have a large group of people that become infected all at the same event.
The holiday will look different this year in hopes of preserving the health and lives of those we love for the next one.
It is important to keep the intention of all of it as a focal point. We're decreasing contact with family this year for a really good reason. We want them to be healthy. We want them to stay safe. We want to ensure that we will have more holidays with them.
We are all in this together.